Dear Mr. Lawn Care Nut, as you know, I love my Toro Timemaster mower and just wondered if you had any contacts at Toro that might be interested in sending me a striping kit to test. Thanks, Ryan.
You know, I don't know if Toro would send one out for testing like that, so let me do this. Give me the number to your local Toro dealer. I'll call him up over by there. I'll just buy one for you, have it sent out to the crib for you. How's that sound, brother?
Hello?
Yeah, how you doing there? Is this Ryan Knorr's dealer?
Yes, this is Ryan's dealer. Oh no, his Toro dealer.
This is Allyn and the lawn care nut from the YouTubes.
Who? From where?
Yeah, listen, this is Allyn and I'm the lawn care nut from the YouTubes. I'm sure you know me, right? Yeah, of course you do. I want to go ahead and order one of them lawn stripers over by there for his Toro Timemaster. I'm going to go ahead and give you my credit card number. He's going to come in and pick that up sometime in the next couple of 2-3 days, all right? You cool with that?
Oh, sorry, sir. I've never heard of you, but I'll be sure to get that ordered and call Ryan when it arrives.
Thank you, my brother.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, goodbye.
Hello?
Hey, Ryan. Yeah, it's your good old Toro dealer.
Oh, hey.
Yeah, some guy from sounded like Chicago called here. Said he does something with the YouTubes. Well, he called and ordered a striping kit and it's ready for you to pick up.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, I'll be in to pick that up very soon.
Okay, thanks. See ya.
Okay, thanks so much. Yeah, bye. And that's the story of how the Lawn Care Nut bought me a striping kit. So thank you so much to Allyn and Connor for helping me with this video, and thank you to Allyn himself for actually buying me a striping kit for my Toro Timemaster mower. That was super generous of him, and I just wanted to involve these guys in a little skit that I had for this video just because I thought it'd be a little bit of fun. If you're watching this lawn care video and you don't know who Allyn is, he is the Lawn Care Nut on YouTube, the biggest lawn care channel. So you're probably already subscribed to him, but if you're not, go ahead and go over and subscribe. And also he puts out an email newsletter each week with just the tips in case that's what you're interested in. So go ahead and subscribe to that. It's some extra lawn care content each week, but it's also very helpful and has a lot of great information in there, so go ahead and subscribe to that. And Connor has a channel that seems to be blowing up this year, so very happy for him as well. He's a great guy and has been helping me out a lot as I transition some of my lawn to a low mow look like he does on his. So check out his channel. I'll have links to this stuff in the description below. Check out these guys, subscribe, and let them know that you like this video. So you're probably wondering though, how does this striping kit work? How does it look when you're actually using it? Well, you're in luck because here we go.
Light a match, let it go. The fire catch, explode. Blow your mind one more time. Hurricane running through my veins. I'm buck wild, honey child. Ain't a line that I won't cross. This is the payoff. This is the payoff. Bright lights, big city, smell the cash. You know it's dirty. You never can get enough. Taking names, digging graves, pull the trigger and walk away. It's just the cost to be the boss. This is the payoff. This is the payoff. I won't let anyone get in my way. No one can take my pain. The payoff. This is the payoff.
First impressions of the kit, I do really like it a lot. I haven't had a whole lot of time to test it. This was the first video that I used it on, but in case you didn't notice in the video, I did a test section with the striping kit on. Then the middle of the yard there, I was not using my striping kit. I took that off and went back to the stock Timemaster. And then back towards the edge of the fence on the other side, I went back to the striping kit again. And you could definitely tell the difference. I don't know how much is going to show on camera there on that first day, but here's a couple shots of a few days later. So here is the left side, then here's the middle, and then here's the right side again. So the stripes are definitely more defined. I think a lot of what it also takes away are just the wheel marks from the mower, which tend to kind of take away from that whole stripe look in general. So it kind of takes away those wheel marks, just makes it a nice flat stripe. Looks really, really nice. So I'll be doing some more cutting with this very soon. I should also mention that this is Kentucky bluegrass and I was cutting at 4 inches. This is the highest that I've ever cut my bluegrass. Normally I'm at around 3 to 3 1/4 or something, but I let it get a little bit overgrown this spring because of that dethatching process and letting some seed grow in. So it got a little bit out of control there for a little while, but I'm gonna see what it looks like here cut at 4 inches. And so far the striping looks really nice on it. I'm just a little bit worried about it folding over onto itself. So we'll see how that works out. I hope you enjoyed this one. There was a lot of thought that went into this video, and please check out some of my other videos. Please check out Allyn and Connor down in the description below and subscribe to those guys. Thanks so much for watching this one. We'll see you next time.
Light 'em